I need to get some stuff to organize this pantry because we can't even find anything and it's nuts. And there's food from camping like that milk and a screaming baby, and we just need to work on it. Our snacks and everything are just shoved here, there, and everywhere. Nobody can find anything. It's not working out so great. It's a little view of our snack box. That should last a few weeks for my kiddos. They do a lot of snacks in soccer season since we are on the road so much. Some toys. He's so cute. Alright y'all, it took me hours to get this pantry clean and organized. It had gotten way out of control. I probably hadn't done it since I was pregnant with this one. It's been a while. But now it's nice and neat and organized and cleaned out. So let me just show you what it looks like now. Definitely needs some paint in there, but that's okay. We'll get there one day. That is our newly sorted out, organized pantry. So on the top, we have some extra snacks, some sweet treats and things, some chips, some baking goods, extra oil, and apple cider vinegar, things like that. Then we have extra sauces and things like that, some drinks, peanut butter, sauces for cooking, ketchup, popcorn. We have all our pasta and rice and all our canned fish, and James had some of that ginger beer, so that's it in there because I didn't know where to put it. And then our massive snack bins, and that's snacks that I can eat. And then we don't do a whole lot of canned goods, so that's our canned goods. Pretty much all we do canned on a normal basis is beans and corn. and olives. We eat so many canned olives, but we have soup for those days when you just need some soup, and pumpkin already for fall baking. Then we have a few cast iron pots and pans down there. Oatmeal to last us a little while. What we put the oatmeal in after we open it is in there. We have a box of cereal, which is a rare treat for our kids, and our Ziploc containers. We have some drinks for me, extra lunch boxes, because you never know when those will get left behind. A big roasting pan that I have no good place for it. That's a convection cooker in that box, and a sheet tray that needs to go back to a friend. And then some aprons on the wall, cast iron pans hanging on the wall, and then more hanging on this wall. There's a few missing. They're supposed to be going all the way up and down, but there's a few that are dirty right now. So that is pretty much the overview of what we have going on now that the pantry is nice and tidy and organized.